Get it out fast.
Kenneth, first game of the season. What's up, guys? So currently I am in a rush right now. I gotta get down to the Little League field. I was just umpiring a game. I'll talk to you about that. My little brothers are playing right now, so we gotta go. Oh shoot. Bye, Mav. So my little brothers have a Little League game right now. I was just there like a second ago to umpire a game. I came back because I needed to grab the camera for you guys, you know, for the vlog. I'm just watching this game, and then there is another Little League game right after it that I'm umpiring, and so I figured I'd just bring the camera along and show you guys what it's all about, because the game started at 4. It's like 4:10 right now, so we're gonna be a little late, but whatever. Turn on the camera, or turn on the speaker. Little dude Kenneth on the bases.
That's a fat Patrick!
Really?
There you go! Is this a microphone?
Yeah, that's the microphone. Yeah. This is my grandma, by the way.
Hi.
It's the 4th inning right now, and the game is a 1-point game. My brother's team is losing at the moment. We'll see what happens. I'm gonna talk about umpiring. I just want to say, like, it's been a really good job for me, because at the moment I'm in high school, and so I have school all week. This job has like a schedule that really works for me, because I can choose my schedule at the beginning of the week depending on how hard it's going to be the week, and so it's really easy. It makes decent money, and it's just a really good job for actually anyone that's really young. I think I started when I was 14, but I believe you can start when you're 12, so like you don't even have to be 16 to have this job. And it's and it's not too hard if you played baseball. You just kind of go with the flow if you know the rules, and really it's just about standing out there for an hour and 45 minutes, and you get paid 30 bucks, 25 bucks. I think it's decent. It works. It's only a few times that parents get a little cranky with you, and but overall it's a good job.
Get it out fast.
Kenneth, first game of the season. So post-game interview.
It's a pretty good game.
Yeah.
Didn't have to do much.
I could tell. Yeah.
Easy. However much money that is.
The game is finished. They lost by like 3 or 4. So now I gotta actually umpire the next one. The next one's for like older kids too. I kind of gotta put the camera away. I can't really umpire and film at the same time. So, I mean, unless I want to get like fired or something, but I'll put the camera away. Peace. Well, umpiring went well. It was pretty boring, honestly. It was like a 15-point game. Ended real quick. Tonight I'm going to Kim's house. I'm really excited because I haven't seen her in feels like forever, and we're just having dinner. It's St. Patrick's Day, which means I gotta grab something green. 1 second. This is like my one green thing that I have. I mean, I guess you could count my car keys, but I don't know where those are. Should work. Yeah, Kim's house tonight. It'll be fun. I'm really excited. So, yeah, let's go.
Your friends when they had told you break apart.
my girlfriend. If you didn't know already. She is super stressed, had a really long week. Actually like a month, but. So we got some healthy ice cream, if that makes any sense.
That's not what it is.
Okay, what is it?
It's a pressed freeze. They're like different. It's not ice cream really.
Okay, fine. It's a pressed freeze to get it right. So, March Madness is coming up.
Oh my god. I'm so excited. I'm so ready. Selection Sunday. I'm ready. I'm excited. Brackets.
Yep.
My bracket's gonna be so good.
Yeah.
Gonna win some big money this year. Like always.
Oh, you sure?
I'm 100% sure.
Oh, okay.
I'm
You seem very,
100%
very
sure.
confident right there.
I'm winning a lot of money this year.
I feel very, very insecure about my bracket. Even though I haven't even looked at it, I just feel really like it's just gonna go really bad this year. No matter how much research I do, it's just gonna go really bad. So my expectations are extremely low, but I'm gonna have Duke in the championship, just like everybody else.
Your team's so good, but like, if you expect it to happen, it's not gonna happen.
But like, when has there been a team like Zion Williamson, RJ Barrett, Cam Reddish, Trey Jones? It's unstoppable. Okay.
I know. Those guys' shorts were way too short. Did you see
Oh
that?
yeah,
I was
I
like,
did.
it's like,
It was funny. Kim hasn't been on the vlog in a long time.
yeah, I know.
I know,
Just
right?
haven't vlogged when you're around me.
I started like a few weeks ago, a couple weeks ago, so that's been like the least like time I've seen her lately. So
Yeah. Also, you just haven't been vlogging that much around me.
yeah. Just dropped Kim off at her house. It was really good, really nice to see her, and she said I looked really cute today, so hey, that actually meant a lot, not gonna lie. Sorry I wasn't really vlogging that much. I felt like I just needed to actually talk to her because it's actually kind of been a while since I've even seen her, and so having the camera right in front of her face the whole time, you know, like it wouldn't be really appropriate right now, and I feel like maybe the next time we'll go hard on it, but so yeah, I kind of put the camera away. It was good. It was really fun. Nice to see her. And now I'm just going home. It's been a pretty long day. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you soon.
Oh Lord, what they finna do to me? I've been in the basement, I got my crew with me. I've been around the world, down to Houston, no Whitney. They think that I'ma fall like another doohickey. Killing it up in my zone. I didn't beat down, but I'm back. They say just